Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. I'm your Rapunzel today. Welcome back to Chat with Tessa, everyone. It's your favorite Tsonga girl. I missed you guys. If you missed me too, let me know. Well, today I am following up on the conversation that we had with Grant in that previous video where we spoke about cryptocurrencies. And I know crypto is that topic where we're like, yay, tread carefully because of the scams that happen. And yeah, it just has a bad reputation. But as the Chat with Tessa community, I want us to also talk about those things that we fear, those investments that we fear, and we get the knowledge that we need, right? And we go into them the right way, where we're not getting scammed, where we have the accurate information. So I know that like after the video, you're like, okay, Nisha crypto. Where do I buy crypto?
Views and opinions expressed on this channel are not and should not be considered as financial advice. I'm not a certified financial advisor and not registered with the FSCA.
So there are different exchanges. They call them crypto exchange. Like it's a place where you go and buy the crypto. And here, the exchanges is where the scams would take place. Here, somebody's like, hey, this is the company, you buy crypto here, bada. Fake places to buy crypto, and then the crypto never existed. The graphs that you were shown were a lie. Everything was just a pure lie. So now where can you buy crypto and be like, yes, this is a trusted place for me to purchase crypto? Okay, there are like those popular crypto exchanges that you guys might have heard of. Just to name just to name a few from the top of my head: Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, those crypto exchanges. But all these crypto exchanges are actually not from South Africa. They're not South African founded exchanges. And when I was listening to the Money Show on 702 the other day, and I heard about here South African crypto exchange company manages to raise XYZ amount, the highest amount raised. I'm like, okay, let me go and research who are they. I don't know how to say the name. Is it VALR? You tell me. But I say VALR. I say VALR. Sounds nice, ne? VALR. So VALR.com is a South African founded, based, don't know which is the correct word, but South African crypto exchange where you can buy crypto in rands. You know, the same way you just deposit money into Easy Equities and you can buy shares in the Australian dollar account or the US dollar account or in your rand account. Same way now you can buy crypto on this app. And I was like, I remember when I first started talking about crypto with Grant, he had introduced me to Crypto.com, which is also another popular exchange where people can buy crypto. But I was like, it's not South African, so I did sign up, but I didn't finish my sign in and verification login, what, and didn't deposit any money. So these crypto exchanges are not the same, okay? Some of them are very advanced, hey? Some of them have different investment options, if I should put it that way, that they provide. And when I was talking to Grant, he touched on some of them. Some of the things I didn't quite understand. So I don't wanna do things that I don't understand. Baby steps. And this is what I liked about the VALR.com app. It is so simple. Deposit, buy, sell, da-da-da. Whereas with the other platforms that I had been on, I was a little overwhelmed as a beginner. I was like, okay, all these numbers, all these things. What if I do the wrong thing, you know? That's exactly how I felt. And to know that we have a South African based one even puts me more at ease, because I'm buying it in rands. When I deposit the money to buy the crypto, it's a South African bank account. This is a company that I've heard of on verified websites and podcasts, so that means I can trust it, right? And the reason I'm coming to tell you guys about it is not because they've paid me. Probably the CEO don't even know me, okay? Nobody from VALR.com knows me, okay? But I've come to tell you guys about it because we are speaking about crypto, and I want you to know that there is a safe place for you to purchase crypto and not feel like you're being scammed, okay? And even better, it's South African. Woo! I really like where South African fintech is going. It's really amazing, and any day, every day, I'll support a South African investment platform first before a US one or from another country, unless they offer something a South African platform does not offer. And yes, VALR.com as an exchange has certain investment options that are pretty basic that the other exchanges offer, but it doesn't have all the different options and crypto investment options that other exchanges have. But it's still growing, it's still developing, and it has a very bright future. So that's where I bought my crypto. I'm going to show you guys, well, I can tell you, and I'll add a picture here. I bought obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Bitcoin Cash. What else did I buy? Oh, and VE Chain and Dogecoin. VE Chain that Grant and I spoke about briefly in that previous video. And I think I might also go back to Grant and be like, hey, when is it the best time to buy again, and what should I buy? But other than that, I'm just taking it a step at a time with learning about cryptocurrencies and their movements and volatility. I know a lot of us are probably used to the EC10 on the Easy Equities platform, which is a crypto index, right? And that, yes, the volatility there is a little different to now you buying the individual cryptos on your own now. Remember that with the EC10, they in that index composes of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, right? At different percentages. They've bought a certain percentage of that crypto, and then they've made this index, right? So the volatility there versus now you buying your own crypto one by one by one by one by one, it's very different. And right now, I think when I last checked, I am sitting at a loss of 1.25%. Sounds little, but when I look at it, it tends to look a little big. And I'm like, whoo. So I also kind of still have that crypto anxiety, but I know that I'm on a verified platform that is secure, so this is not a scam, okay? So the thing that Grant did mention in that video, again, that we did previously, is that when the markets are celebrating, when crypto is going all the way up and nothing can stop it, your money can be made, hey? But the thing now is, when you're in the index, you'll also see the money being made, but you might not necessarily get as much as if you were invested in that cryptocurrency or token yourself individually. So I want to have the best of both worlds. I want to have my index, and I also want to, buy these different crypto coins, put a bit of money here, put a bit of money here, put a bit of money here. So guys, anything that you start, anything that's new, any whatas, you don't just go put your money in there full force. I was like, Yeah, I heard about it, but let me just start them off with $200. So on the 4th of March, actually not 200, I put $100 in there. On the 4th of March, I deposited $100. Then I waited. I'm like, when I deposit money on my Easy Equities app, it's usually very quick. Okay, different banks, different waiting period. But with my bank, and I deposit on Easy, there it is. So now I wasn't used to waiting. And then I put my money in VALR, and I was like, it's been a day now. It's been 2 days now. So it took about 48 hours for the money to reflect, because it was a different bank. They use a different bank. And I was like, okay, let me buy something. So I bought Bitcoin, because that's the one that I know, right? So I bought Bitcoin, and then because that money, like everything seemed normal, I played around with the app and everything. And like I said, I looked at reliable sources for information about this crypto exchange, this South African crypto exchange, right? And yeah, 18th of March, I'm like, okay, another 2K. 19th of March, I'm like, okay, 3K. And then the 17th of April, I put in a 5K. So in total, I've put in 11K. And like I said, I'm sitting at a loss. So now I'm only at like 9,711 Rand 60. The reason I'm also saying this figure is because when that crypto market is celebrating and nothing can stop it and it's going all the way up, I want to be able to remember this value with you guys, this amount that, oh damn, at that time when I had invested X amount and it was at a 1 point something% loss versus now, just for tracing purposes. I'm not a daily crypto trader. I'm not there yet. Daily crypto trading, people can learn how to do that, and they can do it. It's not a scam. But people do go and scam people and be like, no, give us your money and I can make your money double or triple or whatever. Invest for yourself. Take it slowly. Learn and do it gradually, okay? And the fact that you can now do this on your phone anytime. What? You can do it on your phone anytime, anywhere, man. Ow, guys. Anytime, anywhere. Yeah, and do it yourself the same way you buy company shares on the stock market via Easy Equities. You can do the same with crypto yourself and learn. And remember, when I learn, I come here and I share it with you guys. It's great also that VALR.com has a referral code. Remember what I told you about Easy Equities, what your referral code benefits are? That when you are investing on Easy Equities and you have a referral code that you shared with somebody who's new to Easy Equities, you will actually get a discount when you're investing on your brokerage costs. So if the brokerage costs were like 4 Rand or 3 Rand, depending on how much easy money you have, you'd be able to cover that whole amount. You see? Okay? So on VALR.com as well, there is a referral code, and you're not only able to save on investment costs, but you're also able to get rewards. It's like they give you a certain percentage in rewards, which then adds on to how much of that crypto you're holding, right? So I don't quite 100% understand it, but I do see that it automatically adds more to my crypto through those referral codes. So same with you. Actually, when you use someone's referral code, and you can use mine, and I'll leave it in the description box, or I'll just leave it here, we will both get that reward from VALR. And also now, when you now have registered, share your referral code with your friends and family and colleagues and community, okay? When they're signing up on VALR to start investing in crypto. Yes, crypto is a different animal. It's a different beast. The volatility, the open up. is very different to now the stock market and the shares that we buy every day. So understand that the open up happens more regularly and more in depth, you know. But also when it goes up, it can go up quite exponentially. Okay, so I'll make a promise or a commitment to keep bringing more and more crypto education so that we get there slowly but surely together. But in case you were wondering where you can buy crypto, now you know. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. No cancer. And is it your payday? If it's your payday, happy payday. Please, before you spend, invest the money. Invest in money first. Remember to catch me on financialchats_Tessa on Instagram. I'll see you there. Thank you. No cancer. Goodbye.